It's actually, working with Tim is awesome. We barely see each other. I'm normally in my little space, he's in his, but at the end of the day, we get together and go, oh, what did you find out today? What did you do?
We're Diaco's Geelong. So Diaco's Geelong, we opened in November 2016. Kate and I moved our family across from Mount Martha.
We met the boys at Diaco's in Mornington. Then Tim decided, that's it, we're doing this. So we came across to Geelong and we created this.
And just been working day after day, and it's been great. So yeah, look, I guess the whole aim of the nursery is to have plants that sort of suit any garden style. So we've got, smaller flowering stuff.
So lots of salvias, geums, like a range of different things, little flowering sort of stuff, stuff to spread out over the ground, help stop the weeds. Nandinas are another really good one, tough as anything, adds great colour into any garden.
We've got a huge native section. We've got some bigger trees, ornamental trees, native trees.
So the first half of this back section of the nursery is just all natives pretty much.
Indoors.
Yeah, a massive indoor range, pots and plants. When we opened, we had literally one shelf that was dedicated to indoor plants. Everyone was wanting indoor plants, so now we've got this massive 40-metre shed just full of indoor plants and pots.
Welcome to my home section. I feel like this is my favourite table at the moment, and then followed by this one and this one with this pot. This pot may come home with me.
You've just got, a family back there in Melbourne that have been doing this for 30, 40, 50 years. Longer if you go back to, 47, what's that? 70, 75 years. So there's a lot of knowledge, combined knowledge, a lot of support.
This is our grass section. So we've got a range of different grasses, taller, smaller sort of grasses. Here we've got our Japanese maple section. Japanese maples are really popular. Prune them to keep them a bit smaller, or you can buy the weeping ones that sort of never get too big, just the head gets fuller. In here we've got a range of all sort of edible plants. We've got some Australian native sort of herbs and edibles, strawberries, a whole range of things in here. We've got a lot of coastal regions, so a lot of people really are into their coastal native sort of gardens, so that's been a big sort of area for us. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to helping you with any of your gardening needs. Just come in and ask, and we'll be more than happy to help. Yeah?
Good work.